So we do have the first gen Civic listed for sale on Facebook Marketplace. The lady got her 89 Festiva, kind of was like, we have too many cars. So we have it listed, but I'm gonna try to replace the fuel pump because it starts great, idles great, doesn't stay running. The fuel pump that's in there I think was just a cheap one, and it like surges, doesn't really provide like one constant flow of fuel. So we got a new cheap one. I'm gonna swap it, see if that helps. So here we go. Rippo, what are you doing? You gonna help? That is the one I'm going to remove. This is what we're putting in. Power and ground, fuel filter, plugs to go in, a new clamp. It shouldn't actually be too difficult, so we'll see. So the power wire was just twisted together and then covered with electrical tape. I'm assuming the ground wire's going to be the same thing. And the ground wire was under that bolt, which that's not really clean metal. So I'm going to put it back there, but I'm going to brush that off a little bit, sand that off so it's clean metal. That should help. Oops. Those are in there. All right, we're all plumbed back in. Power wire reconnected, ground wire put back underneath there. Fuel filter in. Everything's plugged up. So reconnect the battery. See what happens. All right, this thing's rigged up. Previous owner rigged up the fan and fuel pump on a switch. I will take it. Never started that easy before. Still needs some fine tuning and stuff, but I think that fuel pump definitely helped. I'll take it. Let's see if we can see the fuel filter. That ain't too bad yet. So I guess cleaning the tank did do a little something when we flushed that dirty tank out. So yeah, I'm stoked on that. I'm gonna call that not fixed, but definitely helping. So screw it. I want to get this thing just a tad more reliable, so it's a little more fun to take places. So you don't have to worry about it cutting off and dying all the time. And he's already bored. Jeez. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.